Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete your BLK account with your subscription. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to delete your BLK dating account, even with a subscription, you need to access to your BLK settings. So once you're in the BLK app, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply get signed in into your account. So once you're signed in into your account, you will end up in this interface where you need to tap on the profile icon on the top left hand side of the corner. So once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface where you can find two options. Simply select the settings option and you will end up in this interface where you need to simply scroll down to the bottom of the screen. So once you're in the bottom of the screen, you will find an option called delete account. Simply tap on it and you need to reconfirm your decision. So once you reconfirm and tap on delete, you will be able to delete your BLK account permanently. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos.